So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will teach you how can you solve your Instagram stories problem. So here we go. At first you have to go in your internet network connections. So make sure that it should be your data should be on, and after that you must go in your Play Store. Okay guys, you must go in your Play Store and search for Instagram. So guys, in this Instagram your app must be updated. So guys, if you have not updated till now, then make sure that it should be updated. Okay guys, and in the second, after coming this, in the second, what you have to do, you have to go in your settings. Okay, you have to go in your settings, and after going in your settings, you have to search for your app management. Okay guys, you have to search for app management. After going app management, you have to go in your playlist app list. So after that you have to search for your Instagram app. Okay, and make sure that you have to click in this force stop, and after clicking this force stop you have to come in the storage users and you have to clear cache and clear data. Okay, and after this two you have to come in the permissions, and in the storage you have to keep it yellow, and after that in the phone also it should be yellow, and after that in the microphone it should be yellow too, and in the locations also, and after that in the contact and in the camera also. Okay guys, so this how you have to do to solve your problem in your Instagram stories. So after that, if you have any problem, you just get a contact, you can just comment at us. So guys, if you really like this video, hit the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching this video.